everyone, I'm Used Car Creations, formerly Used Car Studios, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. Today we are making a character from the wildly popular game Fall Guys. This is going to be part 1 in a 3-part video in which we make the character, and then the clothes, hopefully out of fabric, and then a little obstacle course arena. Enjoy the video.
Alright, and we're back. I know it's been a while, but we're back and I've got plenty of videos planned. So we're going to be making a Fall Guy. So this is quite simple. All you need is like a tinfoil, jelly bean shaped tinfoil ball, and then put some white clay in a pasta machine, or just flatten it, and then wrap it around the ball, which is exactly what I'm doing now. So after it's been smoothed out, cut some wire and stick it into the tinfoil to be the legs. So yeah, you can't really see it on my camera because, you know, if you see my bus videos, I'm not the best at filming, but I'm trying. So this is part 1 in a 3-part video. In the second part, I'm gonna make the guy some clothes, hopefully out of some fabric even. I don't really know how to sew, so it may not be the best thing ever, but I mean, I'll give it a go, and hopefully you guys will like it. So yes, now that we've done both of the legs, you also have to curl the wire to make feet. The legs are very, very short, so you don't need to worry about making them long. So now I'm just smoothing out the the jelly bean a little bit more. Even though most of it's going to be covered up by pink clay, it's still going to be it's still going to be quite an important thing. So now we are using something I really hate. We're using some female kids, which I don't like for one reason: it's too soft and it's glittery. I tried to get some female effect to use with another model that I was planning to make, but because right now I'm in Portugal and the silver I wanted didn't ship to Portugal, so I had to find something that shipped with Amazon Prime. So I found some female kids silver. Turned out it's just glittery grey. Sorry. I don't know, 300 likes, and I'll make a rant video on female kids. So now that we've coated our Fall Guy in pink clay, you can coat him in whatever colour you want. Fall Guys have customizable characters. I just think that the pink Fall Guys is the classic one that you see in the trailer, and I'm also going to be giving him the clothes of the classic guy that you see in the trailer, a sweatband and some funny sports outfit. Now that I've coated him in pink, I'm just smoothing him out, and I've left a circle for where I'm going to put the eyes later. I coated it in white first, then pink, just so I could get the effect, because it almost looks like the jelly beans are wearing a costume. Well, I mean, they are, but there's white underneath and they're wearing their colour. I don't exactly know why. I love Fall Guys though. I could do a Fall Guys Let's Play. I don't know, no one calls them Let's Plays anymore, but you know what I mean. I could do a Fall Guys gaming video if anyone would like to see it. So hopefully if YouTube, at the time of recording, there doesn't seem to be any rubbish or inappropriate content in my video, so hopefully YouTube won't disable my won't disable my comments like they did last time. So now we're just putting in the eyes. You just cut out the shapes out of some black clay and stick them on. Fairly easy. And smoothing out the clay a little bit more just to make it look nice. I have a bunch of new tools for this video, particularly the silver flat bit is useful. So I've just put it into the oven and now it's out again. Now we can stick the arms in. Since it's a very thin layer of clay, you can still poke the arms through it even if it's been baked, as long as you don't leave it for too long. So now I'm just sticking the arms in. They're made of wire. Again, it's quite important if the arms are loose, just stick a little, or if anything that's loose when you stick it in, just stick a little bit of clay around it like I've done to stop it from moving. So now I'm just going to coat the arms in some pink clay. And when I make the hands, Fall Guys don't exactly have hands. They sort of have like little mittens with little tiny finger holes. Not finger holes, but like they've got really small fingers. So it's quite difficult to do. But if you can manage it, it should be. I don't think anyone actually follows these videos as a tutorial. It would be brilliant if anyone did, but I don't know. At the time of making this video, I've got like 82 subscribers. Hopefully that'll change. Maybe one day I will surpass PewDiePie. No, I'm joking. But I don't know. One day, hopefully, I'll have a few more. So no, I'm sorry. I've run out of things to say. Now we're making the second arm. You see, cutting little stubby fingers in. Afterwards, I'm pretty sure some wire poked through during baking. It's fine, for me at least. The clay models don't have to be completely perfect. as long as they look like the thing that they're trying to be. Like right now, I'm also working on several other models, which are models of humans. So they have faces, and believe me, that's hard. Alright, so after this, we just have to make the feet, which aren't that difficult. You just have to clamp some clay on the wire and shape it into sort of a boot shape. It doesn't really matter how you do the feet, as long as they're relatively small, because next video we're going to be adding some shoes to this guy when we make the clothes. Right now the leg of the character got a bit destroyed in the oven, so I just have to put some more clay on around it, and yeah, that's it, we're done.